Hi, welcome to British English Made Easy. Now today we're going to be looking at how to use play, go and do with sports. First of all, do make sure that if you like the video, you click subscribe and ring the bell to make sure you get notified of when all the new videos come out. Now last time there was a competition to win 2 free lessons with me. Unfortunately nobody took part, and this was because I didn't mention it in the video. However, I did mention it in the description of the video. Now, so again, there's another chance to win 2 free lessons. All you have to do is watch this video and find out the exceptions to the rules of playing, going or doing sports. Okay, so what sports do you play? What sports do you do? When asking questions about sports, we would only use do or play. We can't say what sports do you go. It's just wrong. There are a few simple rules to follow when talking about sports using play, go or do. With play, we would use balls like in tennis, golf, football, cricket, basketball, volleyball, hockey, and so on. We could also say play badminton because the shuttlecock is very similar to a ball. With do, we would use it with individual sports like gymnastics and martial arts like karate, judo, taekwondo and so on. With go, we usually use it with the verb and ing. So for example, go swimming, go jogging, go running, go skiing. But we can't say go boxing or go wrestling. You'd do boxing or do wrestling. And also about golf, I said play golf. Well, you could also go golfing. Okay, so that's how to use play, go and do with sports. Thanks for watching. See you next time.